Right.
I'm going to start out. I want to know a little bit about your background
Uh-huh.
and your experience.
Okay. Yes, my name's Tim Sturgeon. I'm the quality manager here at Nevada Heat Treating. I've been here for 2 years. I've got over 25 years of mil-spec manufacturing experience, 20 of which have been in quality, 18 of it in quality management. I've worked with aircraft parts, aerospace parts, weapon systems, things like that.
Why were you brought on board here at Nevada?
I was brought on here at Nevada Heat Treating to help upgrade our quality systems and to make us a more process-driven company. I came on board here 2.5 years ago. My first task was to implement an ISO 9000 2001 quality system. This allowed us to become more of a process-driven company and more able to meet the customer requirements that we have here, which are wide and varied. So my job was to build a quality system to help us to better run our business with more control and our processes and the way we do our business.
Tell me a little bit about how you use your processes and what are the benefits to your customer on this process?
Well, process is what our business is all about. Heat treating is a process. We're not adding value through adding parts to parts. We're processing parts and the steels and materials that we work with, and we're adding value through the hardening of the materials, the softening of the materials, the toughening of the materials. So process is very important because a difference of just a few degrees will make a huge difference in the properties of the materials that we process. So processes include everything from meeting customer requirements, finding out what the customer needs, what the customer wants, and being sure that we provide that. And that takes place through not only our temperature settings on our furnaces here, it also takes place by the way we purchase our supplies, by the way we train our employees, our calibration, our adjustment of our furnaces. Also through our work instructions, our manufacturing instructions, through our certifications. It's all process driven to be sure that the customer gets what they want.
Tell me about why the ISO certification. What kind of confidence would that give the customer?
Okay, ISO is very, very important to giving confidence to all of our customers, whether it be local, regional, or even international. Because ISO replaced a lot of the old mil-spec quality systems. And someone in Rhode Island can know that our system is based on ISO 9000 2001 and it complies, well then they know that exactly what those requirements are. It's the same all over the world, the same requirements. So that when a customer sees that ISO logo, they know that we have been audited by an accredited auditing body, that we meet the requirements, and they know that we have these basic processes in place and operating.
What other certifications do you have?
The other certification that we have, and probably our most stringent, is our NADCAP certification. And that stands for National Association of Defense Contractors Accreditation Program. Whew. And what that means is that this allows us to do more of the aerospace defense type work, high-end work, airplane parts, weapon systems, parts that are very, very critical in their application to the safety and well-being of those using it. And it entails a 4-day audit, and what they look at is everything we do here, from the time the parts come in until the time that we ship them. They look at all of our processes, all of our work instructions, they look at our purchasing, they look at our calibration, they look at the materials that we use to be sure that we are meeting customer requirements and also meeting the military specifications, so that so that the customers that, of this type work, which are the high-end prime, if you will, defense primes, that they can have confidence that we are doing the work correctly, and they can put those parts in their systems.